Hey everyone, welcome back to 80 Finance. Today I'm gonna show you exactly how I made $5,000 or more in a single month selling options and a lot of other option strategies. I will walk you through my real results, break down my core strategies, and even demo some examples inside the Robinhood. If you are looking for actionable tips for consistent options income, this video is for you. So stay tuned, and with that, let's start. So let's dive right into my accounts, right? Here is a screenshot from my Robinhood account. The portfolio right now sits at close to $60,000. And this month alone, the account was up more than $5,000, right? As you can see, that's a 9.7% gain. And if you look at the last 3 months, right, the growth is even stronger, more than $20,000, right, increase. So year over year performance shows a total gain of more than $32,000, which is an outstanding returns. As you can see, that's more than 100, close to now 120% return so far this year, right? So every trade that you see here is executed on a real regulated account. This is not a demo trading, uh, just a paper trading account, right? This is a real account. This year started with a much smaller balance, as you can see, and that's thanks to consistent profits. The account has more than doubled. Now, in all this, risk control is a priority for me. Even when the market gets choppy, I aim to keep losses small and the winning trades far bigger that, right? And my buying power, as you can see, sits around more than $80,000, and that is leaving a lot of money in cash for any opportunities that I see in the market. Month by month, this is how the journey looks, right? In the past month, profit hit 9%, more than surpassing typical goals. Over the 3 months, the account went more than 50%. Year to date, it's a staggering 118%, right? So even when the market pulled back earlier this year, staying invested in high probability option setups made that all the difference, right? Letting recovered profits compound. So this approach means avoiding negative months, keeping steady gains, and letting the numbers speak for themselves. If you are interested in my future videos and how what trades I make, be sure to subscribe if you wanna more step-by-step demos, especially for trades you can set and forget, right? And there's a high winning rate, monthly income, and it's very simple trade management. So let me show you this classic strategy, which starts with selling covered call, but it goes far beyond that. Okay, so selling a cash secured put, right? That's where it starts. I'm gonna give you a real example. So suppose Robinhood right now is at $127, right? If I sell the $125 strike put expiring about 30 days from now, Robinhood is gonna pay me 7.2 per share, right? Which is, you always remember it, you have to multiply it by 100. So that's $720 for each put contract, right? So to place this trade, I have to put 12,500 as collateral. Now, outcome wise, there could be two outcomes, right? If hood stays above 125, the contract expires worthless, and I keep the full $720 premium. That's a 5.7% 1 month yield, right? Now, second scenario is if hood falls below 125, I am gonna be assigned on 100 shares. But thanks to that $720 premium, my cost basis is gonna be only 117.8, right? But remember, the hood was trading at 127, right? But you got a chance to average it down right away. Now, let's say that you got assigned, right? What you want to do? You start with doing covered call, right? Another same example, right? Let's say you already own 100 shares of food because that was assigned to you at 127 each, right? So that's about $12,000 investment that you have made. Now, if you want to generate income while holding this stock, I can sell covered call. For example, selling a $129 strike call 30 days out, the bid price is 9.25. So I collect $925 on that. Again, two scenarios can happen. The first one, if hood finishes below 129, the call expires and I keep all the premium that I put, right? Now, if Hood rises above 129, I'm forced to sell at 129. My effective sell price becomes 129 plus whatever premium I collected, right? That's 138 per share. But I'm gonna miss of any gains that's more than 129. So the covered call premium adds about 7% monthly yield to my earnings, right? Plus the cushion slightly drops. My break even is further reduced by the call premium, making this more resilient to modest downside moves, right? Now, let's say you do not have that much capital, what you gonna do, right? That's where this third one, that is poor man covered call, comes in, right? For less capital, poor man covered call, also called PMCC, can be set up as a calendar or a diagonal spread. Let me give you an example to make sure that you understand. So on this one, the step one is you buy long dated in the money hood, right? For example, you can do like 115 strike price expiring in 6 months, right? From now, suppose it costs 17 per share, so that's like a $1,700, right? Now on that you can sell a near term out of the money call. For example, $129 strike, 30 days out at 9.25 per share, collecting that same $900, right? So total outlay is 1700. That's the long call minus 925, right? That's a 775. So if the hood surges towards 129 by expiry, the short call is bought back or rolled, and the long call gains intrinsic value. Second thing is, if hood stays flat or rises modestly, the short call decays rapidly, right? Because it's a less expiry, okay? And you collect premium monthly, and the long call maintains its value. That's the very ideal spot for this strategy. Third is, if hood falls, losses are capped to the net premium paid, much lower than owning 100 shares, right? Because remember, you had to shell out more than $12,000 in that case. Here you are only paying $1,700. So with this approach, the PMCC allows participation in the upside moves, recurring premium income, and lower break-even points, right? All using less capital than a standard covered call. If you choose your strike price for both the calls very thoughtfully, this is gonna be a very profitable strategy for you. I have made a very detailed video about this particular strategy, PMCC. If you have not watched it, I will put the link down in the description. Definitely, after watching this, go and watch that. That explains this strategy in very detail. Okay, now let's recap the essential things here, right? First thing, don't just copy trade signals or gamble on hype. Invest in researching the trades and do selecting the right strike price, right expiration, and then get into the trade. Learn two or three strategies that fit your lifestyle and just repeat them, right? Like I've been doing, right? I keep it simple. I just use these couple of strategies month over month to generate that gain, right? Third is use tools like Robinhood's new Legend platform that features a lot of things that you have to outside pay for those things. I have made a detailed video about Robinhood Legend. Definitely watch that. That explains all the features that you're gonna get just by becoming a Robinhood member, right? Again, as I said, right, this is the exact strategies I use month over month to generate consistent income. If you have any questions around this, then definitely put your comment down below. I will get back to you. I'll talk to you in my next video, guys. Till then, happy investing.